Good evening. My name is Andy Stevens, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 School Finance. I am a business and marketing teacher at Fossil Ridge High School in Fort Collins, Colorado. Our high school has almost 2,200 students and a staff of both licensed and classified personnel of almost 200. I serve as the department chair for the business and marketing department. We have 6 staff members that I oversee. I am seeking this degree because, candidly, I'm a little burned out in the classroom. And so I'm ready for my next challenge. And I've been a coach for almost 15 years. I coach both boys and girls golf at Fossil Ridge. And so I think I'm ready to take the next step into athletics administration. And so that's why I'm doing this program. As far as how does my background prepare me for this role and such, I have an undergraduate degree in organizational management from Colorado State University in Fort Collins. And so before I was a teacher, I worked in the private sector as an account manager and as an staffing recruiter for an IT staffing company. And so I have a pretty in-depth knowledge of personnel management, organizational management, leadership philosophies, things of that nature. My strengths and weaknesses as it relates to school finance, between coaching 2 varsity sports, being the department chair for the business and marketing department, I sponsor our DECA organization, which is a co-curricular marketing organization for student leadership. I manage at least 7, and it may be 8, I'd have to go back and count for sure, school accounts, school budgets. And so I've worked with our bookkeeper at school extensively, just managing those various budgets and making sure that obviously funds are being allocated appropriately and that all of our district finance rules are being followed. As far as any other info, I'm just excited for this class. With a background in business and being married to an accountant, I feel like the business side of education is something that I'm very strong in and something that I kind of have natural abilities for. So I'm excited to dig deeper into the world of school finance. I'm excited to work alongside all of you and are excited for the next 8 weeks. Thanks. Have a good night.